Hello everyone, I am Shweta Sharma from Radha Madhav Public School is going to explain you the chapter of class 9th named The Adventure of Toto, written by Ruskin Bond. So let's start with the plot of the story. First of all, children, you should know about the characters. In this story, the two main characters are there. The first character is Toto. Toto is a mischievous monkey who often gets into trouble with his antics. And the another character is Grandfather, a pensioner who is fond of animal. Ultimately, he loses his patience with Toto and returns him. Now children, you need to understand about the highlights of this chapter. The first highlight of this chapter is Toto is bought by the narrator Grandfather. The narrator's grandfather was very fond of animals. He bought a monkey from a Tonga driver for ₹5 and named it Toto. First, when the grandfather saw Toto tied up to a feeding trough, he looked very ill and ugly. As the grandfather had his own private zoo with many other animals, he kept the little monkey in it. Toto used his tail as a third hand. He used it to hang from a branch or for scooping up and delicacy that might be out of reach of his hands. Another plot is Toto travels secretly with grandfather. One day when grandfather was going to Saharanpur to collect his pension, he decided to take Toto along with him as he did not want to leave him at home. A big black canvas kit bag was provided for Toto so that he could not escape. The third plot is Toto is finally accepted in the family. Gradually, grandmother, who is a wife of grandfather, accepted Toto in the house and he was put in the stable with Nana. Nana means the donkey, but Toto teased Nana, means donkey, so much that Nana never became friends with Toto. Next highlight is Toto is nearly half boiled himself alive. This is a very interesting plot, children. In this, you will get to know that in winters, Toto had an elaborate bathing ritual and enjoyed bathing with warm water. Due to this, once Toto almost boiled himself alive. A kettle had been put on the stove for making tea for the family. When nobody was there, he felt the water warm enough for a bath, so he climbed it. As the water kept heating up, he kept hoping it until grandmother took him out, barely alive. And the last plot is Toto is sold back to Tonga driver. Toto caused too much loss in the family. Finally, grandfather realized that Toto was not the type of pet to be kept in the house. They could not tolerate him anymore. At last, grandfather found the Tonga driver and sold Toto back to him for ₹3 and heaved a sigh of relief. Thank you, children.